can help save at least one life, and that is the message the family of a Lenexa girl is promoting today after a month after she received a bone marrow transplant. Today, the Be the Match organization held a donor drive at Manchester Park Elementary School in Lenexa. The family of Clara Peters was there to encourage people to take part. Peters received her transplant a month after being diagnosed, and luckily for her, her sister was a match. Her family says by allowing people to get a cheek swab, it can help speed up the time to find a donor.
If you can't find your match in the existing registry, you're just out of luck. There's just nothing else to do. So the more people that sign up, the more chances that a person can find their match.
Members of her family called Clara's Crew sold T-shirts and bracelets and baked goods today, with all the money going to the Be the Match organization.